Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jesse, the Couch Movie Critic. Once again, we are back in the kitchen and we're doing another unboxing. Today we're doing an unboxing of another one of my Amazon deal days, July 11th and 12th grabs. This was actually one of the early ones. I was able to get this, actually ordered on the 10th. And to give a little background why another Echo device is, the house is smart. Anybody who follows the channel knows that that's one of my pet things I'm into. And you know, me and Miss E, the Couch Movie Girlfriend, moved in together beginning of the year. We have an extra room now that wasn't in either of our prior homes, and we set it up for smart house just like everything else, with light switches and TV voice command, things like that, not realizing that other than the Fire Stick remote, there was no actual ALEXA to trigger in that room. So it's a pain in the butt. You got to call her from another room or get up and go looking for the remote. So I decided, you know what, I wanted to put an Echo in it. I was going to wait to the Amazon deal day, and this is what I decided to get. I'm going to actually, part of it was that I had heard that the Echo Pops have great sound quality for the musical part of it. You know, the fact that they'll play your Spotify or your Amazon Music or your iHeart or whatever you use, Pandora. I do use that feature a lot, and I heard that it was fantastic for this, so I'm actually going to take the one out of my office and study and put it in the guest room and put this one in my office for me to be able to jam too. So what was cool about it is it came with this little guy right here. It came with a Sengold, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, or Seng LED smart light light bulb. So it was kind of cool. The Echo Pop is usually $39.99. The bulb is like $16.99 or $17.99. I got the two together for, I think it was with taxes and everything, like $18 and some change altogether, maybe 20. So I was like, why not? The bulb came with it, and it was the cheaper deal was with the bulb than without it by $1, which made no sense, but I got it. There it is. But I have no clue how I'm going to use it or where to put it, but that's what came with it. But this is the main event right here, the Echo Pop. So let's go ahead here and we're going to get started. But as always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. You know, if you got any questions, comments, concerns, ideas, feel free to reach out to me on the social medias, as well as Jesse the Couch Movie Critic at patreon.com. Let's go ahead and let's get to it. All right, so we're going to go ahead and start right here at the very front. As usual, this is your standard Amazon product box. It's that baby blue, such a nice blue. I dig it. It's that same light blue, kind of emulating the colors of the LEDs. Echo Pop, image of the half moon kind of eggy shape, which I'm loving. Then it comes with the lady right here that we all know and love, ALEXA. The bottom side of it has some barcode information, device support, and FCC stuff, which is going to be blurred for the sake of video. So, sorry, not sorry. On the left side here, on the right side of the box, it's got some of the technical aspects. Bluetooth, hands-free with ALEXA. It's also in Spanish and another language as well. Microphone on-off, app, privacy controls. What's in the box? The Echo Pop power adapter. Setup is simple and requires Wi-Fi and the Amazon ALEXA app. And then it's also in an alternate language. On the back, it's got in English, Alexa is happy to help. ALEXA, play chill music. ALEXA, remind me to call mom at night. Then some images of the front and back. It's seeing a mirror effect. Actually, it looks like it's two of them. There we go. On the opposite side, we've got here some more information. Your smart Alexa speaker with ALEXA, voice control, any room, hands-free with a crisp, full sound smart speaker. Ask ALEXA to play music, dim-compatible lights, set alarms, and more, designed with multiple layers of privacy, including a microphone on-off button, and then it's in there in alternate languages as well. And then it has a mention about certain services not working in certain areas. There is, for those of you who know, the Amazon smile or the Bezos smirk as he cashes all that money. God bless him. Let's go ahead and pop the seal on it here. Let's take a look here. Boom, go ahead and stick this somewhere so it's out of the way, but so I don't remember and leave garbage out, so I can yell that later. And then what we got here. I love the packaging. The packaging's always got something slick, and it tells you, 1, download the app. 2, plug it in. Simple and easy as that. There is the actual Echo Pop itself. As you can see, you have your simplified volume up, down, and the do not disturb. Now it's fully talk. Doesn't have that other button, the little dot they used to push. So that's going to be interesting, because that little dot was how you reset your Wi-Fi connection. So it's probably going to be some other set of commands. There's the bottom. Again, going to be blurred, but that's the barcode there with all the info. Again, the smirk. Really digging it. It's roughly, it's like they took an Amazon Echo Dot and kind of cut it and then spread it, because it's a little larger here than the overall diameter of the Echo Dot, but it's definitely feels good in the hands too. It's not too heavy, not too light. Let's go ahead here. Actually, bring this over here. Put this little guy off to the side. Oh, I love too that this front seems more plasticky with mesh. I got to point that out. It's still clothy, but not as cloth laden as the old versions, which was always a pain in the butt to dust. And you know how that goes. Florida, you got dust. What do we got here? We got a bunch of paperwork. There is your charger. Nothing out of this world. That I'll put here. And then what else do we got in here? Important information. Let's see. And this is just, you know, the recycling and the contact and so on and so on, product specifications, nothing that important. Hello, hola, bonjour. So it's English, Spanish, and French, now that I say that. And it just gives you the breakdown, the simple instructions and what it does and how it works and so on. Obviously, if you get one of your own, it'll let you know. I'm loving this. You know what? This is fantastic. Take a screenshot, guys, because you got to Google this all the time. But these are what the actual colors mean. And this is the first Amazon Echo device that I've owned that has that. They give you a little breakdown in the app, but then you forget it, and later you need to find it. Here it is. Blue, ALEXA is not listening. Red, the microphone is off. She can't hear you. Orange, your device is in setup mode or trying to connect to the internet. Purple, your device is in do not disturb mode or unable to connect to Wi-Fi during initial setup. Yellow, you have a notification. Say, ALEXA, read my notifications, which is interesting because I think, oh yeah, no, it's yellow because I'm looking at the Echo here in the kitchen, and it's got the notifications for my delivery. Green, you have an incoming call. Say, ALEXA, answer the call, which is funny because this actually happened to me earlier today. I was in the office. I was working on something, and Bella the Couch Movie Kid accidentally triggered a drop-in to the office, and I'm like, why is that green swirling? And so I Googled it real fast, and there it is. There's the answer. But things to try and so on, and there's the different languages. But that's everything, guys. That's what comes in the box with the Echo Pop. I am excited. I am stoked to sound mighty surfer white guy. But I am looking forward to it, to having it set up, to hear the audio quality for the price. Listen, it's better than paying full price for for another Echo device for a spare room that gets used but not super frequently. But it does make it easier because that room also happens to be storage where Santa stores the Christmas gifts. Don't nobody tell Bella the Couch Movie Kid. I'm going to have to delete her subscription to my YouTube channel. But it will help me when going in there because especially at night, it has now I can tell her to turn on the lights if my hands are full without having to swing around looking for the light switch or the remote control. So it's a nice addition to the collection. So I'm looking forward to getting it used. As always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, please feel free to reach out to me on the social medias as well as patreon.com, which is Jesse the Couch Movie Critic at patreon.com. Thanks and have a great night.